Hey, look at that. The camera worked again. Say hi, Ray. Hi, guys. We are going to kind of button things up so that we can get the roll cage in. Our good friend Bruce is going to come over probably in the next couple of days, so we need to get this ready. And that will involve moving the computer, getting the windshield, that ugly thing, out of the way. Maybe doing some more work on, oh yeah, back there, you can see we've still got to cut the holes for the rear supports. So many things. Should be fun. Appreciate you guys joining us, and let's get busy. Hey, all right, so in theory, what's going to happen here is we're going to take the computer right there and we're going to move it to the front of the firewall area so that it's out of the way when we put the drop tubes for the front down in there for the roll cage. So for now, I'm going to move this over and see if by any strange chance we can succeed in this. Now I've got to get that bracket out. Ow! Oh yeah, that was freaking brilliant. I should do that more often. Hey guys, so it looks like the roll cage just showed up. So I'm gonna see how this looks and get it off the truck. We'll take a look at it. Would it help if I get the hand truck to the other side, or? I got you. Yeah, you got it. I'm actually just going to carry those. Here we go, guys. Nice. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. That'll bolster it up.
Well, I want to weld as much as I can
out here.
I'm thinking we want to tack the whole thing together. I think I can do that whole thing, and I may be able to do that whole thing with the back posts and the tower out here.
Well, Bruce, thank you very much, sir, for all the good work.
You're welcome.
But look at how nifty these are. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Bruce was just showing me how much penetration he got on the welds with this little Yes welder I bought. But cool. Happy day. Ta-da. There we go. That was kind of fun. So we got fire going down there.
Do we?
Yeah, I can see it.
That's just coal.
Should I get the extinguisher?
No. I've had lots of fires in here. I shouldn't tell you that. Maybe a cup of water.
Okay, I can do that too.
I think it burned itself out, Ben.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep this in here just in case.
30-year-old cage is in. Let's measure the loop and see how wide it is, you know, so we can figure out
where it
what
sits
kind of
there.
an angle.
Yeah.
That's close enough for the girls you go out with. We'll just try and be accurate as we cut. So you want to cut this one in too?
Yeah, let's cut that one to size. I still think that's one of the coolest little things. Who thought of using a chain?
I actually did it when I was a kid. I'd never seen one of these. I used a bicycle chain for tightening up something. Yeah. Go ahead, and you're probably going to have to give it a bounce.
Oh, I see what we're doing. Okay, I got some blocks of wood if you want to use them.
Well, that would be better than a piece of pipe on the roll. I don't know if we're going to be able to twist it. I'm trying. Alright, well, let's see where we're at now. We're probably not going to move it. I thought that it would go easier. I'm just about touching that line.
Yeah,
it's not really moving.
Tweakage.
Not really moving. Alright.
Okay, how can I be best?
I don't know. I've got something going in here that I don't know if it's just stupid or obviously. So we've got to get this up. Do we want to put a my degree finder and get it square with this?
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to let go of this.
Okay, I can hold that and get in here and position myself to be in there. That was an inventive model. I like it.
This kid's not as dumb as I thought. Actually, that's not too far off. Well, we're there. Is it looking like a roll cage?
It's starting to look like a roll cage.
Okay.
Magic has occurred. Yeah, that is right where it needs to be. That's going to work great for this too. Well, we got a lot done. The footage was terrible, which is usual for me. So, welcome to my world. And we'll kind of finish up on the roll cage and a few of the other details in the next episode and try to get some more detail in where we're going with the car. But that's it. I think we're in good shape. Race should happen. Yay us.